Hello everyone, good Monday. This is Adam at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. And this morning I am going to show you this gorgeous 1955 Chevrolet two-door sedan. This car has been rotisserie restored. It is brand new from the front to the back. I don't think they come any sharper, they don't come any nicer, they don't come any cleaner. This car has an LS2 underneath the hood. Also has an LXR 102 millimeter intake on it and throttle body on it. This car has a Tremec 6-speed manual transmission. It has only 580 miles on it since it was restored. Beautiful, super straight black paint with red top and sides. Two-tone black and red. This car is 100% gorgeous in every way, shape, and form. If you are looking for a Tri-5 Chevrolet, set your satchel down and come pick up this car. This thing is 100% killer car. It has power steering. It has power brakes. It has four-wheel disc brakes on it with drilled and slotted rotors. They are Willwood brakes. It has vintage air conditioning. It has heat. Underneath the hood, you will find a completely decked out engine compartment. Chrome everywhere. Just a beautiful, beautiful Tri-5 Chevrolet, finished in black and red. 580 miles on it. Open this door and check this car out. All new glass, all new stainless trim. All new bumpers, new taillights. All this trim around the windows, all brand new. New tinted glass, like I said. Check out the door panels in this car. Check out the door jambs on this car. All the trim around the windows. It has power windows too. I know, you're like, you lift up on the handles and there's the power windows. I see a little bit of grease on that door panel I didn't see before on my phone there. Digital clock. There's your vintage air conditioning. It's got a retro Chevrolet radio in it. Her shifter. I'm sorry, I said it was a 6-speed. It's a 5-speed. I'm sorry. Your package tray back there. Speakers in the back. Beautiful leather, red leather interior. Beautiful new headliner. The side panels are all done to match. Man, what a nice car. Brand new carpeting, brand new door panels, brand everything. Everything on this car, brand new, everybody. Even those are power. The back ones are power too. That's pretty cool. I didn't know that. I figured they made the front ones power and the back ones were probably manual. I know you just seen that spot on the door, and so did I. And I will take you back over here. I got a towel. I'll wipe that off so you can see. It's just you can see this spot right here. I wiped it down a little bit earlier. Had some more wax on it I didn't get off. There you go. Now you got her. Gorgeous car, everybody. Like I say, the 380 miles on this thing. Got the parking lights on. I took a picture of the Dakota Digital dash all lit up on it. Gorgeous dash. I'd love to show you imperfections in the paint and body of this car, but there really isn't any. This thing is absolutely splendid. Beautiful car. Same way. It's all your gauges. Tilt wheel. Billet specialty steering wheel. Her shifter. . 'Cause. 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 'Cause reason I always have a hard time getting these radios to turn on. There's always seems like there's always another button you gotta push. Wipers work. Left turn, right turn. Let's get out and we'll let you listen to it. Smells like she's got some good fuel in her too. There's the inside of your trunk, just like the rest of the car, 100% done. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. She sounds good. I drove this car. They brought it back to me on Friday night. And I drove it, and I'm like, oh my Lord. ERC aluminum heads, long tube headers, dripping aluminum radiator, cold air intake. Look at the underneath the hood of this baby. Beautiful, beautiful 55 Chevrolet. Look at the hood hinges. Man, they done a nice job building this car. Get you some of this thing, baby. 1955 Chevrolet. Man, oh man, this is one of my favorite cars of all times. When I was a kid, I couldn't think of anything but a 55 Chevrolet. And now that I'm grown, I've had a bunch of them, and I gotta tell you, this is probably one of my favorite ones. It's about one of my favorite colors in the Crayola box, red. You know what they say, if you don't like the color, you can always paint it red. Oh, I killed it. I was trying to pull off that turntable easy there, and I killed it. See, I told you that radio comes on and works just fine. I never know what button to push to make it operate. I'm going to shut it off right now. show here what it looks like on the outside while we're outdoors. Outside. I'll leave her run. Show you this gorgeous car. Here it is, everybody. 55 Chevrolet. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa 563-452-2450. I do have another 55 two-door hardtop resto mod, an LS2 in it. Give us a call. Make one of these cars yours today before somebody else does. You don't want your neighbor buying this car and then you see it and say, man, I wish I would have bought that. Thanks, everybody. Until next time, this has been Adam at Kenyon Classic Cars.